Today, we are going to explain the Magento 2 Daily Deals. It allows the admin to set up daily deals on its products. Customers can view the deal value with a countdown timer. Moreover, the deal collection page will show all the deals of the store. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. We are now on the admin panel. To add a deal to products, navigate to Catalog, then Products. You can either add a daily deal to a new product or edit an existing one. In this case, we are editing the Jost duffel bag. Then scroll down. Here you can see the Daily Deal field, where you can enable the daily deal status. You can also select the deal type, such as fixed or percent. Here we can set the deal from and deal to dates, and enter the deal value. After configuring the deal, we save the product. Now, we will go to the front end to check the daily deal price on the product. We can see that the Jost duffel bag is priced at $15. Along with the timer showing when the deal ends. By clicking on Daily Deals, we can view all the products currently on deal. Here, we can see all the deal products, including the top sales of the day and top deals of the day. We can also add products directly to the cart. Here you can see the product in the cart. By clicking Proceed to Checkout, we can place a successful order. Back on the admin side, click on Daily Deals, then go to the Daily Deals product. All active deals are also visible here. We can also disable the deal for a product like this. That's all about this module. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.